Good morning, and today I'm with Glyn's Alfa GT in High Wycombe. The lovely classic Alfa. We're doing a stage 2 clean this morning, just to improve engine pickup and performance, and just for general maintenance. Beautiful looking car. I've just put the fuel system treatment, my stage 2 treatment, in the fuel tank for Glyn, and that's going through now, and we've got the machine hooked up, so we'll be giving the car at half an hour or so of hydrogen, just to clean those combustion chambers, the valves, and spark plugs, injector tips, and piston crowns. See you in a bit. Bye.